Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a featured section on LinkedIn. This is a powerful way to highlight your best content, whether that's a product launch, a Shopify store link, a case study, or a high-performing post that shows your expertise. It's one of the first things people notice when they visit your profile, so it's perfect for making a strong first impression. So this is very simple. You just need to go to your profile and from here, click on Add Profile section. This button lets you customize how your profile looks and what visitors see right away. Then choose Recommended, so click this arrow next to it, and from here, choose Add Featured. This is where LinkedIn allows you to showcase content you want to stand out, like your store, a tutorial, or a success story. Then click on the plus button. This is where you decide what you want to highlight based on your goals, whether that's driving traffic, building credibility, or promoting an offer. And from here, you can add a post, article link, or media, or you can also add content from your profile. For example, you can feature a post where you shared a Shopify tip, link directly to your store, or upload an image or video that explains what you do. This is a great spot to send visitors to something that actually helps grow your business. So this is how you can add a featured section on LinkedIn. It only takes a minute, but it can make your profile look more professional and purposeful. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you take one more step toward building a stronger online presence, give it a quick like. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're a Shopify store owner or just getting started, make sure you subscribe for more simple, practical tips you can actually use. I'm here to help you save time, avoid common mistakes, and grow with confidence. I'll see you in the next video.